Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to plot 3D graphs and plots in MATLAB. So first we will open MATLAB and then we will go to new script file. So I will open new script file. So here we have a new script file menu. So we will plot 3D graphs or plots using some functions that will be meshgrid or surfc like functions. So first I will start with a simple example. Like let's suppose I declare a matrix with name as x equal to with the following syntax, square brackets. I will define a matrix like 1 2 3 4, then semicolon 5 6 7 8, then 9 8 7 6. Like I have defined 4 cross 3 matrix. Like I can also define a 4 cross 4 matrix. Let's take 4 cross 4 matrix. So 2 3 8 1 or 2. So I have defined the following matrix with 4 cross 4 elements. So we will take this function and using the surfc function that is built in the MATLAB, and we will draw its 3D plot. So first using this example or this matrix, like I will write surfc surf, and then in brackets I will pass these functions like x. So when I run this program, like I will just first save it, okay, and then like it will be run. Okay, let's wait for it. So here we come with the graph, like is the 3D graph. You can see easily here, like it's a surface. Also you can rotate here it using this command. So you can rotate your graph like this. Okay, also there are other functions we can use, like we can smooth the plot here. Like if I write the command, the following command, like shading in turf, this function will do the job for us. Like it will smooth the plot. Like if we compare the previous plot and this plot, we can clearly see that this plot is very smooth. Also we can specify the x-axis, the y-axis, or the z-axis. Like I will show it in the next example. So let's take another example. Like we have a function and we want to plot the 3D plot for it. So let's suppose I define first a variable with name a, which will start from 0. You will take a colon and with an increment of, let's suppose, 0.1, then colon, and I will assume that this function will go to 15. Then I will take another variable with which will be also start from 0 with increment of 0.1, and let's suppose take it to 10. So it will go from 0 to 10 with an increment of 0.1. So here I will use a meshgrid command that this function will do the job for us, that it will plot the graph in meshes like a square boxes. Like I will write this command meshgrid, and I will pass both the variables I have defined above, like a comma b, and close the bracket. So in next step we will define our function. Let's suppose I have a function name c equal to a multiply b, or a square b. I will define like square of a square. It will take a square of the variable a. So I will pass this capital A, square of a, plus I will define another variable square of b, square square of b. So I want to plot this c function in a 3D view. So I have defined the function like c equal to a square plus b square. So again I will define the function surf c and pass the function c. So when I run this command, again I will save this program. Okay, save. So after a few seconds we see that we have we have got our 3D plot. You can easily see it here. So I will use the command shading in turf to smooth our plot. Again I will run it, and voila, you see that we have got a very beautiful curves in a 3D view. Also, I will define the x-axis, the y-axis, the z-axis. So you will use the built-in function x label. We will give it a name as a values. The second is y label. We will y label. We will give it values b values, and the third is z label, and we will give it a name as c values. First, let me to correct this spelling. Okay. So again, I will run this. I will use x label, y label, and z label. I will give it as x values, b values, c values, and I will run it. After running the program, we have seen that the x values are here, y values are here, and z values are here. Okay, so we can easily see the 3D plot here. Next, there is also another function which is color bar. Color bar will do a job for us that it will show a color bar here in the graph, so we can easily determine or evaluate its values. Like the more we go upward in the z direction or the c values, the more it have the yellow color. So this is the method that we can draw a 3D plots in MATLAB. So here we have just defined in 4x4 matrix, and just pass that matrix to the surfc command, and we can easily see the 3D plot of it, which is like this. So we can easily rotate it, and x label, y label, its axis. In the next example, we have defined two variables. Okay, and then we pass these variable to the meshgrid, and then we defined a function, and then we pass that function to the surfc command, and we have the following plot, which can be like if I change the variable or the function. So if I change the function and again plot it, so it's giving us a error. I will place the dot here, like it's a convention to place a dot before multiplication. So here is another plot for the function c equal to a square multiply b square. So we can easily plot 3D graphs or 3D plots with the following functions. So thank you for watching.